Hi everybody, welcome to How Much Will I Need Level 2 Tips. If you are stuck on a Level 2 problem, hopefully this video will help you. Remember that you can fast forward or rewind to the problem that you need. You will need your Level 2 problems and a pencil, and let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. Dan's pet rat eats 2 ounces of cheese each day. How many pounds of cheese will he need to leave in the rat cage if he is going on an 8-day vacation? I see quite a bit of important information in here. I see that his pet rat eats 2 ounces of cheese a day. And I see that Dan is going on an 8-day vacation. And that the question is asking me, how many pounds of cheese will he need to leave? And that word pounds is important because the problem gives us ounces. I see Einstein with a helpful tip. We've seen this tip before, so maybe you even remembered that there are 16 ounces in a pound. Einstein's telling us that. So 16 ounces in 1 pound. Okay, so let's see. Dan's pet rat eats 2 ounces of cheese a day, and Dan's going on an 8-day vacation. So 2 ounces times 8 days would equal 16 ounces. The question doesn't ask me for ounces though, it asks me how many pounds of cheese he will need to leave. I think you can figure that out now. Let's take a look at number 2. If a river was rising 2 feet every hour, how long would it take to rise a half foot? Okay, so 2 feet every hour, that's important information. How long would it take to rise a half foot is our question. Okay. So I can set up a ratio here, and I know that the river will rise 2 feet in 1 hour. So how long will it take to go a half foot? Well, I know that there are 4 halves in 2 feet. Half, 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 okay, because 2 halves is a whole, 2 of those, 2 wholes would make 2 feet, so that'd be 4 halves in 2 feet. So that means that I am wondering a fourth of 1 hour. How high would it rise in a fourth of an hour? Let's look at number 3. If a box of dog food will feed 3 dogs for 5 days, how long will it feed 1 dog? So the box feeds 3 dogs for 5 days. That's important. My question, how long will it feed 1 dog? That's what I'm trying to figure out. So 3 dogs for 5 days. I can draw a picture for this. Let's see, dog 1, dog 2, dog 3. And it feeds them each for 5 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those X's represent days that it feeds each dog. Dog 2, 5 days. Dog 3, 5 days. Now, if I have only 1 dog, how many days could it last that 1 dog? Number 4. Allie found out, or actually I think it's Ali. Ali found out that it took him 2,000 steps to go 1 mile. How many steps should he take if he wants to go a 4th mile? So 2,000 steps for 1 mile. how many steps would be a 4th mile? So I see that I'm going a 1/4 of the distance, so I would need 1/4 of the steps. So what is 1/4 of 2,000? Number 5. Jill is taking $10 on a vacation. After 2 days, she spent a total of $2.50. If she spends money at the same rate, how much money will Jill have after 8 days of vacation? Lots of important information in here. She's taking $10, so that's what she's starting with. After 2 days, she spent $2.50. Okay, so we have to keep that in mind. If she spends money at the same rate, so every 2 days, $2.50, how much money will Jill have after 8 days? I can create a table for this. And my table would look something like this. Day, money. So let's see here. If Jill starts out with $10 on the first day, and it says after 2 days she has spent $2.50. Well, what's $2.50? $10 minus $2.50 would be $7.50. Now, every 2 days she spends $2.50. So my next day would be the 4th day. $2.50 is less than $7.50 is $5. On the 6th day, she would have $2.50 less than that. So you're going to want to keep going on your table until you get to the 8th day of vacation to be able to tell us how much money Jill has left. Good luck!